What is up, everybody? I have a beautiful 2004 BMW Z4 right behind me, as you can see right there. Well, not so beautiful yet. We're actually doing a paint job on it. A little bit of storytelling. There's an E85 2004 BMW Z4, first generation, of course. I picked this up from the infamous Facebook marketplace. It came with a clean title, 160,000 miles on it, and mechanically sound. All that checked out. The aesthetics, not so much. So my brother and I decided to actually get into this project. Why would anybody in their right mind want to do that, you may ask? Well, there's just something unique about starting with something that looks like this and turning it into something that looks like this. Stick to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you how much I paid for the car, how much I put into the car, and how much it sold for. That information could be useful whether you're getting into a similar project for your own personal use, or maybe you're getting into a flip, whatever it may be. Let's check out how much work it took to get it to look nice and sexy. Car sat overnight. It's ready for 400 grit, 600 grit sandpaper. Get it ready for the base coat. So I'm just gonna pull it inside the garage and sand it there. So let's do that. A little bit of love and magic for this interior. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. All right, let's talk numbers. Okay, so to round things up here, the car was $2,200. Parts and materials, $1,300. I sold the car for $5K. That leaves me with $1,500 in profits. Boom, just like that. So if you have any questions about the paint job or anything in specific about this video, let me know down below. I am working on new content, so definitely stay tuned. And I think I've already said everything. So I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.